Eto naman tayo. Kanina, bago tayo nag-break, pinag-usapan natin yung pag ikaw yung may negosyo, ano ba yung offer mo? Sabi natin the simpler, the better. The fewer, the better. Know your customers, who your customers are, where the customers are coming from, and what services do they really love to get. Okay? Alam niyo ba, meron ako isa nakilala na ang kanyang negosyo ay house cleaning, condominium cleaning. Aba, itong negosyanteng ito ay mahusay. Pinag-aralan niya yung needs ng mga customers niya na nakatira sa condominium. Tingnan natin, ano ba ang mga needs? Ang mga nakatira sa condominium ay, again, maliit lang. No? So, mga 54 square meters, 80 square meters, at wala silang spasyo to have a domestic or household helper. No? So, wala talaga yan. Pangalawa, wala silang time to cook. Number 3, wala silang time to wash their clothes. Number 4, even time to fix or clean their condo. Alam niyo itong negosyanteng ito, simple ang ginawa niya. Ang sabi niya, teka, maglalagay ako ng survey, do you want people to maintain the cleanliness of your house, to do the laundry, to do this? Aba, maraming sumagot sa condominium at ang sabi, aba, why not? But for the right price. Ito na ang ginawa niya. Nag-organize siya. Merong mga tao na gusto niyang tulungan, isang cooperative, na sabi niya, tulungan niyo ako, magtutulungan tayo, maglilinis tayo ng condominium on one condition. We are going to be honest. Honest. Okay, but that's a big question. What is honesty? So ang ginawa niya, tinrain niya yung mga cooperative members how to clean, how to use the vacuum cleaner, how to use this and that, and to make sure na walang mababasag, although meron siyang insurance, no? And on top of it, meron siyang tripod. Sabi ko, ano yung ginamit mong tripod? Bakit ka may tripod? Sir, meron po akong video camera na naka-online. Ha? Anong online? Because pag bago ko mag-set up, maglilinis, whether may tao sa condominium or wala, ay yung subscriber o yung may-ari ng condominium can watch live as the house is being cleaned. Ilan yung tripod niya? Aba, isang angle sa sala, isang angle sa kusina, isang angle sa may kwarto. So wherever the person cleaning the house is, online, nakikita at naka-record. So, in other words, siya ay naging in demand. Okay? People ask for the service of this household cleaning group. And he was able to help this cooperative. So, simple, no? Para sabihin mo, oo nga, no? May mga needs din mga customers natin. Now, question, do you really care? Do you pay attention? Sasabihin mo, like for example, car wash. Ang dami-dami ng car wash dyan Pero tignan mo yung mga nasa condominium, may car park nga yan. Ilang libo mga kotse yan. Do they have time to clean their cars? Meron ba yan timba na magdadala at, dadali niya at wawash niya yung kotse niya? Okay? But there is a group that does this sa condominiums. Meron silang isang portable na washing unit at talagang nililinis yung labas lang. Now, yung loob will depend on the owner. If and when the owner wants yung inside ng kotse niya ay malinis. So, question is, it's always convenience. Ang negosyo po ay convenience. Tignan niyo mga nagluluto sa mga nagki-cater. Ngayon, may mga catering na nagfe-furnish sa condominium dwellers. Meron silang food containers at meron silang menu of the week. Tignan mo ang simple ang negosyo. Pero imagine, ikaw ay nagluluto lang sa bahay mo, pero para ka may catering dahil meron ka mga special menu ng gusto ng customers at anong araw at anong oras. So, simple. Simple and yet profitable. No? So, how do you promote yourself? As I said kanina, promote yourself because of word of mouth. Let your customers be the one to crave for you. Let your customers be the one to advertise for you. There is no point putting a billboard, there's no point putting a full-page ad sa dyaryo or putting an advertisement sa internet if your reputation is not that good. That's important, no? And then, who are your suppliers? Ayan. Another point sa negosyo is learn how to be a team player with your suppliers. Take care of your suppliers. Huwag yung inuutangan mo, ang tagal mong bayaran. Huwag ho ganun, no? Pay the right price to your supplier on time because your suppliers will be the one to help and support you. All right? So, these are the things that I want you to remember, no? Like, for example, do you know your strength and weakness sa negosyo? Be honest. Kung ikaw ay may kakulangan, learn how to accept. That's being open-minded, no? And finally, before we end, I want you to remember this. Never be afraid to start a business. In business, there is always an opportunity. An opportunity will always knock once, not twice, not thrice. Learn how to spot an opportunity. But again, look at business. Business is not necessarily having too much money. Business is having it the right time, the right place, and the right product. So, sa ating pong pagnenegosyo, start simple, think big, but start small. Okay? And again, the more time you devote, the more time the business will grow. But remember, when the business starts to grow, think of how you can expand it via franchising. And that is where your key to success will grow. So ito po si Butch Bartolome. Alam niyo po kung saan ako makukuha, saan niyo ako makukontak. Feel free to get in touch. At again, always watch DCRH, RH TV, especially the seminars that we have, the special seminars that we have just for you. I'm sure you have learned a lot, and in case you want to get in touch with us, feel free to get in touch with us. Again, maraming salamat po, and to the Colaiko Foundation, thank you for giving us this opportunity. Maraming salamat po.